Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy cream cheese fruit dip that only has 4 ingredients, and it makes a lovely dessert that the whole family will enjoy. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know what you think of this yummy dessert and other recipes you'd like me to share. So let me show you how to make it. I'm going to start by pouring half a cup of cream into a bowl. You can use heavy whipping, double, any cream that you can whip into soft whipped cream. That is what you want to use. And I'm going to use electric beaters to whisk until it just starts to become whipped cream. That's perfect, beautiful whipped cream. And now we'll set this aside and seed the cream cheese. Now into a separate bowl, we're going to pop a whole tub of cream cheese, which my tub is 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces. And then for sweetness, I've gone for 1/4 cup. It's up to you how sweet you like your sweet treats. If you want 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup. If you want it to be low carb, keto friendly, use sugar-free alternative like stevia. It is up to you. And then I'm going to flavor my fruit dip with some vanilla. So go for 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then whisk until it's fully combined and creamy. There you go, that's perfect. And now we'll fold the cream in. So I've just got the cream that I whipped earlier. I'm just going to add it into the whipped cream cheese. And then gently fold it all through and together until I've got a nice creamy mixture. There you go, perfect. Now I'll move it into a serving bowl. So I've got this bowl that I'm going to be serving it in. So I'm just going to move the beautiful creamy dip, oh look at it, into the bowl and just smooth it out. Perfect. And take a look at my easy cream cheese fruit dip. It's lovely and creamy, and you can enjoy it with your fruit of choice. I'm serving my easy cream cheese fruit dip with a plate of strawberries, but you could really use any fruit you like to serve it with, but it just makes strawberries kind of make for the perfect dipping. Oh, look at that perfection. Just goes so well together, can't help but have a taste. The sweetness of the strawberry, my first strawberry of the season. It goes so well with a lovely dip. It's just absolute perfection and perfect as the summer approaches slowly but surely and all the strawberries come into season. As I said, this is my first batch of strawberries, my first lot of strawberries this year, and I thought I'd do something special with them. And this is absolute perfection. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and will make this yum dessert and enjoy it too with your family. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite way to enjoy strawberries since strawberry season's coming up. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe as well as loads of adaptations, loads of ideas for adaptations, so you can make this lovely dessert your own. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.